Hi guys, in this video I'll be walking you through an amazing ERP software called ERP a complete inventory POS, invoice, accounting, and business management solution, built with Laravel and React.js. We'll explore the dashboard, inventory management, purchase, sales, accounts, reports, and other settings. We'll explore all of this, and this is a powerful tool. And this software offers business and for store it works for business and for store owners. So if you're looking for a modern ERP solution for your business or planning to launch your own SaaS platform like this, you can see this is a SaaS platform. Just make sure you watch this video to the end, and I'm going to guide you, show you how it works. And if you want to get it done, just contact via it on the screen, and it's ready for you for an affordable fee in 48 hours. So now let's start with the admin dashboard. Now this is the dashboard. You can see don't worry about this currency. To change to currency of your country, any country that the currency is with dollar, pounds, euros. This is rupees. You can be changed to that currency. So now total sales amount, sales due, purchase amount, purchase due. Like I said, it's a complete inventory POS, invoice, accounting, business management solution that you can use for your business. And it's also a SaaS that people can pay you to use it. So you can set up this SaaS. People can, pay for lead correction, consumer CRM, sales pipeline, all of this. They can get, you can get, what's it called? They can pay you, lifetime for them to use it under your own service. So this is the inventory where you have your product, check all of this, your purchase, return, suppliers, orders, total sales that make so far, the accounting side as well, balance sheeting, income statements, and also the reporting, the inventory reports, the purchase reports, sales reports, everything is here. Also the settings that you will able to set your company's details, apps details. All of this will be done for you for an affordable fee. Don't worry about that. Just contact via on screen. Don't be DM just don't be PNERP, and it's ready for you for an affordable fee. And like I said, if you have any issues, just contact me. Contact me. This will be set up for you for your business. If you need it for your personal business, if you need it as a SaaS, you want to be selling as a service, contact me and I'll help you get it done for an affordable fee. So now, like I said, this is just the dashboard, and this is just the POS system. This is the POS system I just opened now. All of this will be done for you. POS, that is point of sales. This is the POS side, and everything is there all in one dashboard, the landing page, the admin dashboard, everything, you get them. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. If you need this, don't forget to contact me via this on the screen, and I'll help you set it up for an affordable fee, and it will be ready in 48 hours. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.